Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Tangzhong Roux. First, gather your ingredients: flour and a liquid, typically water or milk. The ratio is crucial, usually 1 part flour to 5 parts liquid by weight. This cooked paste is the secret to incredibly soft and fluffy breads, keeping them fresh longer. It's a simple technique that elevates your baking significantly. Accuracy is key when preparing Tangzhong. For best results, use a digital kitchen scale to measure your flour and liquid precisely. A good starting point is 20 grams of bread flour and 100 grams of water or milk. This 1:5 ratio by weight is standard and helps achieve the desired consistency. Don't eyeball it. Exact measurements make a big difference in the final product. Now let's cook the Tangzhong. Combine your measured flour and liquid in a small saucepan. Whisk continuously over medium-low heat. The mixture will gradually thicken into a smooth, paste-like consistency. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. The goal is to reach 65 degrees C or 149 degrees F, which gelatinizes the starches without overcooking. It should leave trails when stirred. Once cooked, immediately transfer your Tangzhong to a clean bowl. Cover it with plastic wrap, pressing it directly onto the surface to prevent a skin from forming. Let it cool completely to room temperature, which can take an hour or 2. Once cooled, it's ready to be added to your bread dough along with the other wet ingredients. This simple step will transform your baked goods.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.